Dr. Siti Suraya Lin binti Abdullah Kamal and our team members. First of all, I would like to thank to all my team members, Madam Shanti, Madam Shaz, Madam Irina, and Mr. Akmal. Let me introduce myself. My name is Manmit Kaugil, anak perempuan Konan Singh with matrix number JG11954/21. I am very sure that today's discussion will be fruitful to all our team members as our lovely topic today is about nature and environment. Breathtaking views, calming sights and sounds, and invigorating adventures. Nature can improve your overall health and well-being simply by being in it. Take a breath and then uncover the hidden benefits of nature, from producing the oxygen we need to breathe to providing materials needed to create shelter. Nature is vital for our survival. Let's start our discussion today by inviting Madam Shanti to express her opinion and thought about nature and environment. Please, Shanti.
Thank you, Madam Manit, and good evening to all group members and Dr. Suraya Lim. My name is Shanti Sidambaram. My matrix number JG12432/21. Today I want to talk about the river. The sustainability of rivers is crucial for maintaining the health of freshwater ecosystems and the communities that depend on them. One of the main challenges facing river sustainability is pollution from agriculture and industrial activities as well as urbanizations and population growth. To address these challenges, several steps can be taken to improve rivers. One important step is to reduce pollution by promoting sustainable agriculture practice and implementing the stricter regulations on industrial activities. Additional, urban planners can work to limit the amount of development in sensitive river ecosystems and instead focus on preserving these areas. And other important steps is to improve the management and conservation of freshwater ecosystems, is including the protections of key species and habitats. This can be done by creating and enforcing stricter laws protecting important wetlands and other habitats and increasing public awareness of the importance of the freshwater ecosystems. In addition to these steps, it is important to also include the local communities in the conservations and management of rivers as they are the ones who are mostly dependent on them for their livelihood and day-to-day needs. Overall, the sustainability of rivers is complex issues that require a multifaceted approach. By taking a comprehensive approach and working together, we can ensure that our rivers are healthy and able to support the communities that depend on them for the generations to come. Today, I close my speech with little poem. With every drop of water you drink, every breath you take, you are connected to the sea, written by Sylvia Earth. My speech, I pass it to my other colleagues, Madam Edwina.
Thank you, Madam Shanti. Hi everyone, my name is Irina Nure binti Ilizat and my metric number is JG11910/21. Okay, besides river, I will talk about the air. First and foremost, I do believe everyone and so do I think that the air is a very important component for natural resources for every living thing in the earth, from plants to animals and of course humans. What defines the air and what is the relationship between the air and the environment? In Cambridge Dictionary says that air is the mixture of tasteless, odorless gases that surrounds the earth such as nitrogen, oxygen and many more. Furthermore, when we breathe in, what do we inhale? Air, of course. Unfortunately, the air quality is not as healthy as it used to. The air is toxic. This is because Due to a lot of industrial activities, such as open burning fires, gases from the motor vehicle exhaust, and many more that can cause dirt and dust as pollutant the air. Air pollution has become a famous conversation within the community in this 21st century era. This environmental issue has brings varieties of effects, especially to human health, whether it is publicly or individually. Besides, humans' body are easily to react to any environmental changes. For example, diseases like asthma, lung cancer, and stroke. Those diseases can harm someone's health badly. Therefore, a clean environment is very necessary for the nature to live a peaceful and healthy life. Air must be monitored from the professional or we ourselves in order to control the quality and lower the pollution level. Thank you. I will pass the talk to the next person, Madam Mami.
Thanks, Madam Irdina. I would like to share about forests. What is the relationship between forests and the environment? Forests cover about a third of Earth's land area and are essential to the health of our environment. For example, trees and forests absorb and store much of the carbon dioxide and otherwise would be contributing to climate change. A forest is nature's most efficient ecosystem with a high rate of photosynthesis, effective both flora and fauna system in a series of complex organic relationships. Forests can develop under various conditions and the kind of soil, plant, and animal life differs according to the extremes of environmental influences. Let us see what forests can do for our environment. Firstly, forest influence in geomorphology. The root of trees hold the soil in place, preventing erosion or landslides. The soil between the roots becomes more compact, strongly fixed in place. Forests also prevent wind erosion, acting like a natural green shield for our Earth's relief. Secondly, forest influence of climate. Forests also lower soil temperatures, especially in summers, by sheltering in from direct sun radiations. In forests and its surrounding areas, air humidity is higher because of tree transpiration and water evaporation and create pleasant, refreshing environment for human, plants, and animal in nature. Last but not least, forest influence on health. This is not something new, and I guess you all know that forests make the air around us cleaner. Often called Earth's lung, forests can both reduce carbon dioxide emission and strengthen the ozone layer. Let's listen to our next team member, Shaz, about nature and environment. Please, Madam Shaz.
Thank you, Madam Manmeet. Hi everyone, my name is Nur Shazana binti Muhammad Razi and my metric number is JG 12067-21. Today, I'm going to talk about animals, a major part of nature and a variety of animals inhabit the earth. It is estimated by scientists that about 8.7 million animals are inhabit the earth. Their habits are equally varied, ranging from land to water to air. Animals are important in the lives of humans as well. They provide various food products for us. In addition, their meat is widely consumed as well. We can protect them by adopting or keeping them in the zoo. But there's a good and a bad for keeping them there. The good one is for educational purpose, to protect them from predators and so on. The bad ones are animals will lose their instincts, for example, how to hunt and often become depressed. By keeping them in captivity, ecosystem can be badly affected. Some of them should not be kept. They belong in nature, and keeping them confined in a home or cage is cruel. Therefore, further generations need to take on a different view to protect all animals from further suffering, to be responsible and treat all animals humanly. That's all from me. Thank you, and I'll pass the talk to Akmal.
Thank you, Shaz. Hi, everyone. So let me introduce myself first. My name is Muhammad Hidayatul Akmal bin Asmadi, and my matrix number is JG119821. Based on the previous discussion, all of us unanimously agree to talk about nature and environment. So I choose to talk about ocean and its benefits to all of you. First and foremost, did you all know ocean covers 71% of Earth's surface? So, unsurprisingly, it gives you in return a lot of benefits. One of the benefits is ocean provide more than half of the oxygen now we breathe. Scientists estimated that around 50 to 80% of the oxygen production on Earth comes from marine photosynthesis. Furthermore, ocean also helps regulate the climate. The ocean absorbs huge amount of heat from the sun. The majority of radiation from the sun is absorbed by the ocean, particularly in tropical waters around the equator, where the ocean acts like a massive heat-retaining solar panel. Last but not least, ocean protect many marine biodiversity, which is animals, plants, microorganisms, even coral reefs. Ocean constitutes over 90% of the habitable space on the planet and contains some 250,000 known species, with many more remaining to be discovered which are still unidentified. That's all. Thank you.
Wow, it's so knowledgeable input about nature and environment. In conclusion, forest, river, ocean, animal, and air are the integral part of our natural environment and must be protected for the benefit of both current and future generations. We must take action to conserve this vital ecosystem and the countless benefit they provide. Thank you, everyone.